Good morning, students. Previous year already you learned about subatomic particles like protons, neutrons, and electrons. Now we are going to see about atoms and molecules, the main postulates of modern atomic theory. The first one is the atom is no longer indivisible. It means not able to be separated. And second one, the elements are same, but the atomic mass is different. It is called isotopes. The next one, the elements are different, but the atomic mass is same. It is called isobars. Atoms of one element can be transmuted into atoms of another elements. Atom is no longer indestructible. It means it is very strong and cannot be destroyed. The next one, atoms may not always combine with a simple whole number ratio. The formula of glucose is C6H12O6. The simple whole number ratio is 1:2:1. Atom is the smallest particle that takes part in a chemical reactions. The mass of an atom can be converted into energy. E is equal to mc square. The next one is atom and atomic mass. Atom consists of subatomic particles such as proton, neutrons, and electrons. Proton and neutrons have considerable mass, but electron does not have considerable mass. The sum of the number of protons and neutrons of an atom is called mass number. The mass of an atom is measured in atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit is 1/12th of the mass of atom, C12 atom. Isotope of C12 contains 6 protons and 6 neutrons. The next one is relative atomic mass. It is denoted as AR. The ratio between average mass of the isotope to 1/12th part of the mass of carbon-12 atom. It is otherwise called standard atomic weight. The modern methods of determination of atomic mass is mass spectrometry. C12 as a standard. The next one, average atomic mass. Average atomic masses of an element is the weighted average of the mass of its naturally occurring isotopes. Then next one is calculation. An element which exists as a mixture of 50% of an isotope having a mass of 9 AMU. This is the first isotope. The next one, 50% of another isotope having a mass of 10 AMU. AMU means what? Atomic mass unit. Okay. The next one, AAM. That means average atomic mass is equal to mass of first isotope into percentage abundance of first isotope plus mass of second isotope into percentage abundance of second isotope. Next you apply the values. Mass of first isotope is 9 AMU into the percentage is 50%. Sum of mass of second isotope 10 AMU into percentage abundance is 50%. So you have to write 50 by 100. You simplify this value, then the answer is AAM is equal to 9.5 AMU.